Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your tool menu that's located under the main menu on top, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder again that this is a mini series on the main menu, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the tool menu, it is located here on your main menu. So you can simply click on it or press Alt plus T to open that menu. Now, under here, we don't have that many options, and I'll be honest with you, I've got no idea what this does. It's at N-Class 400G. Sounds almost like a model name, but by the time we cover this in depth, I'll definitely try and make sure I do some more research. There's some basic, but I couldn't find much on it. So now under the tools, we've got your projector. So if you have machines actually running with a projector, this is quite a handy tool. So you can pretty much see on your laser itself, or on your laser panel you're about to cut, or the material panel, will project what you're design. And yeah, it's quite a nice feature, that, but it's rare as well. Now next up, we've got measure. So it's your normal measure tool, so you can use this to make sure all your measurements are correct. We've got nesting under that, and then like I said, we've got this, what's it, N-Class, I don't know if you say it in ENC LAS 400G, but yeah, apologies. And then we've got your mark position. So it's really not that much located under the tools menu, but yeah, a lot of, not all of them, but some of these options you can find here just on your main user interface. Let's say all these menus are really just or should I say all these tools really just direct towards your menus on top here. So it is rather rare to find something on one of these menus that you cannot find here, but it does happen, but it is rather rare. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on the tool menu. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the video you're looking for, you can always go here to request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we will try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.